Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. I know it's been forever and I am sorry for the lack of posting, but I am back and I will be posting more often, whether it is installs or just taking you guys along with me on a Sunday, on my days off, and updating you guys on my life. So I do want to post more often, and comment down below if there's a specific thing you guys want to see. I know I did like a rate your car thing, that was pretty fun. So yeah, just let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see, or send me a message on Instagram as well. So today I am actually doing an install and I'm really excited for this install. I haven't worked on my car in a while, so it's exciting. Today I am actually going to be replacing my rotors. My car is about 3 years old and I recently changed out my brake pads. But in doing so, I went to 365 Performance and they actually let me know that my rotors weren't looking too good. So I decided to just get some new ones because my rotors are drilled. And what I've been told is that you actually can't resurface them if they're drilled. So I decided to just go with some new ones, and shout out to Rally Sport. They actually sent me these rotors and a few other goodies that you guys will see. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to use my code STILIZ whenever you're making a purchase on their website and you'll get a discount. I am going to be throwing on those rotors today, and I am actually going to be working with Lonzo Works. This is his Instagram. He has a shop out in Fontana. I'm going to be heading out there today. I'm really excited for this and I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll try to be as detailed as I can. That way, if you guys are doing this at home, you know exactly what to do. And obviously I'm going to have his help, so if I get stuck, he can help me out. I'm gonna start driving so I don't catch any traffic, and I'll update you guys when I get there. Okay guys, so I was about to start my car and guess what? It's dead. So I haven't been driving my car for like almost 2 weeks because obviously I had to replace my rotors. So I've been using my dad's car, and right now I walked out to my car and it's dead. So I literally went to AutoZone right now to get some cables because I didn't have any. So yes, so here we are. She is dead. And then this is my dad's Camry, so I'm gonna use his car to start my car. But yeah, shout out to AutoZone. Hey guys, so I just got to Alonzo's shop and we actually just lifted my car, and I wanted to introduce you guys. So this is Alonzo and this is Arlene, and yeah, they're gonna help me, both of them are gonna help me with the install. But yeah, I just got the car lifted up. I am gonna let it cool down for a little bit and then I'm gonna get started. I've never been under my car like this. It's pretty gross. Guys, so today I am going to be switching out my rotors, and I am doing front and rear. I am also going to be switching out my brake lines. I'm going with the stainless steel FactionFab brake lines. They're right here. I have the fronts and the rears, and obviously I'm going to be switching out my brake fluid. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I just wanted to show you guys what we're throwing on today, and yeah. Okay, so as you can tell, there's like a little lip here, and then you can feel the ridges right here as well. So that's why we're gonna replace them. I did get new pads already, but Like I mentioned before, I have not been driving my car for 2 weeks for the same purpose that I wanted to switch both of them out at the same time. I just obviously had to wait for my new rotors to come in. Okay, so I removed this, the bracket, and then the 2 pins. So these are the pads that I just installed. They're brand new. It's just obviously my rotors need to be replaced. So yeah, I'm gonna be throwing these same ones back on. Since we are switching out my brake lines as well, I'm just gonna let them drain right now. That way we're not struggling with the caliper hanging. And then we'll go from there.
I love Dutch Bros.
What do you guys think? Should I get these white? Okay guys, so my rotor is very stuck and I tried snapping it, it didn't come out. So there are 2 holes right here. You can actually use the same bolt that holds up your brake line. It's a 13, so I'm just tightening it, and then it should help me remove the rotor. And there it is. Okay, so here are both brake lines. This is the OEM, and as you can tell, the new one is a stainless steel one. So I'm gonna start putting this back on, and then I do have Lonzo actually helping me on the other side, just because I want to finish pretty quick. Okay, so for the rear, it's going to be the same process. I went ahead and moved the 2 pins and the brake pads, and then I am going to go ahead and start draining the brake line. So I'm going to use, I think it was a 12. Yeah, it's a 12. So 12 mil just to drain out all of the brake fluid, and then I'll remove my caliper just like I did in the front. Okay, so now I removed my rear rotor and I'm gonna also remove the brake line back here. It looks like it finally stopped draining. Go ahead and remove that as well and then put everything back and hopefully be done soon. I also still have to do the other side, but I actually have Alonso helping me so we can move a little bit quicker. So he's doing that side, meanwhile I do this side. Sick. My gloves ripped and these fingers were obviously exposed. Okay, so now that we finished, Alonso's actually gonna help me with the bleeding of the brakes part. I'm honestly not confident doing it, but he's gonna help me since he's a professional. Me plus the car equals 7,000. So we're finally done and we're tightening up the lug nuts just to make sure everything is secure. I'm so excited. We're gonna go for a test drive right now just to make sure that everything is good. And yeah, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. As you can tell, it's nighttime now. It did take us a while, but I'm really happy with the results. The rotors look really good and so do the brake lines. They're so nice. And let me know what you guys think. We are gonna go on a test drive. I'll include some clips of that as well. Shout out to Alonso and Arlene for being moral support. We got the job done, and yeah, anything you guys may need done to your car, hit up Alonso. I'll include all of his info down below. And once again, thank you Rally Sport, and don't forget to use my code for 10% off, and also follow me on Instagram at STILIZ. I'll see you guys on the next one.